I slightly switch on the lamp.
I slightly switch on the lamp.
I reach for the blanket.
I reach for the blanket.
I spread the soft blanket.
I spread the soft blanket.
I pick up a fluffy cushion.
I pick up a fluffy cushion.
I place the cushion behind me.
I place the cushion behind me.
I lean back on the couch.
I lean back on the couch.
I wrap myself in the blanket.
I wrap myself in the blanket.
I adjust the blanket neatly.
I adjust the blanket neatly.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I hug a plush toy.
I hug a plush toy.
I lift my cup of tea.
I lift my cup of tea.
I blow on the hot tea.
I blow on the hot tea.
I sip the tea carefully.
I sip the tea carefully.
I place the cup on the table.
I place the cup on the table.
I choose a book.
I choose a book.
I open the book slowly.
I open the book slowly.
I fix my glasses.
I fix my glasses.
I flip the page.
I flip the page.
I close the book gently.
I close the book gently.